Hello, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to fix application not installed on your Android TV. This is going to be a full guide video, so I highly recommend you watch right up to the end. And if you find it helpful, please do well to like, subscribe and share so that you encourage us to be able to create more videos. So if you're on your Android TV, you've been struggling to install applications and you're facing a problem that says app not installed, I'm going to be showing you different ways to fix that on your Android TV. And in this video, I'm using my Android TV box. It's called Sling TV. If you want to check it out, you can check the link in the description. Or if you're looking for any Android TV box, in the description of this video, I will add a couple of Android TV box that you might want to check them out. So also in this video, I'm using my USB mouse to navigate to make it easy for me to show or create a video without wasting time with my remote control. Anyway, that's it. Let's get started. So as I said, I will be showing you different ways to try to fix the problem of apps not installed on your Android TV, and just follow through and try all of these ways on your Android TV. Now, if you are installing an application, especially the app is not from the Google Play Store, you might always come across problems of app not being installed. The very first thing you should make sure to do before you install applications from unknown sources to your Android TV, or to install applications not on Google Play Store to Android TV, you have to make sure that your Android TV allows you to install applications from unknown sources. By default, Android TV will not allow you to install applications from unknown sources, so you need to turn that on your Android TV. Now, the method to do that differs on different versions of Android TV. So the same way I'll do it on my own Android TV might not be the same you will do on your Android TV, but the goal or the option or the motive is still the same. So on your Android TV, I would recommend just go over to your settings. I don't know wherever your settings are or how your Android TV look like, but go over to your settings. Here's mine over here, and go over to your apps and try to find the option that says security and permissions. So you try to find the option that says unknown sources. This will differ on your Android TV version, so the method might not look the same like mine, but just try to find it. It is somewhere in your settings. So once you find them, here's mine here. Unknown sources, it says allow installation of apps from sources other than the Play Store. So you need to go over to that option and make sure that it is turned on. So make sure that all of these are turned on. In most of cases, it's just going to be one option. So in my cases, there are many options, so I'll have to turn all of these on. It just depends on your own Android TV, please. So make sure that you find the option and turn it on your Android TV. Once you do that, then your Android TV will be able to install applications from unknown sources. That is the very first option. Now, if that option doesn't work, then this is another reason why you are unable to install applications. The second reason is that Google is blocking lots of applications, especially in this year 2026. They rolled in the new version of the Android operating system that doesn't allow most applications to run on your Android TV, especially applications that are not great. So they have applications that they have suspicions about. Google blocked them from being installed to your Android TV. So if that is a reason why the application is not being installed, then in that case there's little or nothing you can do, because it is the system that is not compatible with that application. Now it could also be that Google is not the one blocking the application. It could be that your Android operating system is older and the application is unable to install to that Android TV. As a matter of fact, there are two ways to this. Please listen carefully as I explain. Now, for instance, if I go back to my Android operating system, this is the second method. I'm going to place another 10 minutes. I'm going to show you. So I'll go back to my device preferences and I go to my about. You will see my Android operating system over here. I'm using an Android operating system 12, Android 12. Now, if your Android operating system is older and the application is created for a newer operating system, then the application will not be installed to your Android TV. In that case, it's because the application is not compatible with your Android TV device. Another reason could be that you have the latest Android operating system, but the application you are trying to install is on an old system. Only you're trying to install an application that works on an Android 8. Because of that, the application will not install. And in that case, you need to look for the latest version of that application to install. In the first option that your Android operating system is older, you would need to update your Android operating system to be able to install the application. But as I said, this second method just depends on your Android operating system. So just go ahead and check your Android operating system and see if it's updated, and make sure that the application they are installing is updated. Now, the third method, which is not the least, and I'm going to show you an example. So for instance, if I go over to an app store that have APK like this one, if you want to learn how to install the application to Android TV, check out the video on my YouTube channel. So I go over here for instance, and I go over to players and the browsers, and I download an application like this first one. So there are two options. One is compatible. This second option is not compatible with my Android TV. The second option is compatible with my Android TV. So you need to make sure that anytime you install an application, you need to verify that it's compatible with your Android TV. So I go ahead and I download this one, this first option, which is compatible with my Android TV. Let me just download it and I try to install it to my Android TV. So once you don't download it, I can just go ahead and click install. So you see, this is it ignore, and I'm going to click on download. Do you want to update this app? Now this method, these people face this problem especially when they're using certain applications and the application tells them that it is out of date and they need to update it, and the application is not available on the Google Play Store. So they go ahead and download a new version of the application and they try to update it. So for instance, if I try to update this, it is not going to update. You see, I'm not installed. The reason is because the package is conflicting with the existing app that I already have on my Android TV. Most of the time, the app where you're installing the application from is not going to tell you this reason. At times, it's just going to tell the app not installed, full stop. It's not going to give you the reason. But if you are trying to update an application that you were using before and the application stopped working and you want to update it and it doesn't work, that's because you are trying to install a newer version with a different package on an older version that has two completely different packages. So what you need to do in that situation, or in that third option, you have to go ahead and uninstall that application from your Android TV. So uninstall it totally and uninstall any versions of the application that you have. So once you uninstall it or any version that you have, they can return to where you were installing the application from. Like for example, here, and I click done and I'll go ahead and try to install it again. So I'll just go ahead and click install, and this time around it is going to install to my Android TV. So this is the third option, and you just have to make sure that you are not trying to install this application on a different package. As you can see, that's completely installed. Now the way you're installing might not be the same method that I'm using here. There can be any method, but this is how it works. So I've shown you three reasons. The first way is to make sure that your Android TV allows you to install applications from unknown sources. The second way is to make sure that the application is compatible to your Android TV version. Make sure you're installing the latest version of the application, or you're using the latest version of your Android TV. And the last way is to make sure that you always delete all outdated versions of the application before you try and install the newer version. So that's it about this video. If you find it helpful, please let me know in the comment section, and also like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this.